Hey guys, it's Emma. Today we're going to be making slime. It's actually like almost like, I don't know how to say it. It's like fluffy slime. And today I'm with my friend Bree. It's actually very...
It's my vlog.
So the ingredients that you will need today are shaving cream, glue. I'll be right back to get the glue. Any kind of laundry detergent. Can you grab the glue?
Yeah.
Here.
Wait, I don't know where the glue is.
It's out in there.
The big bottle,
No.
an open bottle, or because this one's
I'll
barely.
get this one.
Yeah, and then the food dyes.
Is my blue food dye over here? Sorry.
Wait, can I see this? Wait, we're gonna do the food dye together, I thought.
Okay, guys. So, actually not really that sticky. It's just you have to, don't get scared when it's sticky because you just have to keep kneading it and playing with it and it'll get so fun. So yeah. No, Bree. Oh my God. She's going to be vlogging and
So go follow our YouTube channel.
I'm on my YouTube
Emma
right now.
and Marie. Yeah.
So first you're going to
Hi
take your bowl.
guys, Emma and Marie, and we're both vlogging right now, and we just
Oh,
made
okay.
a batch of slime.
So right now you're going to want to
Very
do, take a bowl and a spoon.
Extra
In your
squishy
bowl,
slime.
We're going to make a little bit,
Stretches
even
so
though.
much. So good.
So
Right now it's like blue, the laundry detergent. We're about to put some blue food dye in it. So it's
Okay.
actually, yeah, I'll show you.
Okay, so you put about that much glue in. You can see it. Now you're going to want to put a little bit of
So,
shaving cream.
so since we're both vlogging right now, it's really awkward. So I'm gonna come sit over here.
So I put about that much.
You can see me.
Now
Fine.
mix.
We're making a bigger batch. Right now it's like really small.
So it's going to turn out to be like this. We're
Yeah.
making a small batch
So,
right now.
Yeah, right now we're making a really medium, small batch. Hey Emma, what if we can sell the slime?
No.
That's what I did.
Who do you sell to?
My friends in class,
No.
they were so jealous. And I get money for it so I can buy more slime ingredients.
Now you're going to want to add a
I'm gonna get Emma
little bit
in
more
this because it's our YouTube
glue.
channel. You want to get all the glue that you can.
You're going to, okay, you want to
So
put a
this-
little extra glue because now mix.
Yeah, now mix it because
Now it's time for you to add your optional
wait,
food
we're gonna
dye.
add the food dye in here because you put it in after you make it. So we're gonna squish this down so both cameras can see. Wait, both cameras can't see.
So actually in this, it might be a little easier if you put
Food dye
dye
in already,
first.
so I'm gonna mix it while you show them how you're gonna put food dye in ours.
Okay, so if you
So
have
she's gonna-
yours that you're going to want to put food dye in, and you're going to want, your hands are obviously going to get messy.
I'm gonna add some more glue.
So you're going to,
Is that okay?
yeah, just not a lot. That's enough, Bree. Bree, that's enough!
I know.
So you put your food dye in. So now you're just going to want to play
So we're
with
just
it.
gonna add some more.
Of course you're going to get food dye all over
So
your
it looks
hands. So just play with it. It's just
You can
knead
add a
it
little
now.
more.
So yeah.
So this is on the
okay.
glue right
So
now. So
okay. This is
I'm
what I'm
gonna-
supposed to be making slime, Bree. So now you're gonna play with. Since you mixed it,
putting this down.
it's actually very sticky. Now you're gonna take time for your laundry detergent.
Wait, did you even put shaving cream in?
Yeah.
Doesn't look like it.
Well, there is. Now you're gonna put a little bit of this. Now mix. So now I'm just gonna want to mix it and mix.
So I just added more shaving cream in. I'm gonna move
Now
this
you're
out
gonna
of
want
the
to
way.
grab
It's gonna be over here.
it. No.
You can hear the TV.
Sorry about that. So now you're just gonna knead it and knead it and knead it.
Just keep adding because it's like blue right now.
It's actually very fun.
To mix in with, except your hands are gonna look like this.
It's gonna be, your hands are gonna be blue, but really, who cares? It's a weekend, so no school. Who cares?
Yeah, for us at least, because we live in New Jersey.
So just
She's gonna. Ooh, blubber. Wait, I think we should put this one in the stress ball.
no.
Yeah,
It's
this
actually-
one's not that stretchy like that one.
Okay,
This-
so now that you've
I think we
mixed
should
it,
put this one in the
it's
stress ball.
actually kind of not so stretchy, but it's
This
actually
one's
kind
more
of.
stretchy. This one's like the fluffy
But
one.
it's actually this. If you want, you could also kind of add a little bit extra
Shaving
shape.
cream, because you don't want it to be flubbery, so it can be stretchy. Keep mixing.
So it's kind of a little bit more stretchy.
To a club with my girls.
So now it's actually just.
Club 11. You gotta be at least 10 years old to get in Club 11.
So yeah, you have your nice slime.
See? This isn't your library card. It's Mindy Flavins.
Okay, so now that you have your slime, you are actually set to go. It's really fun.
Now who's got the upper foot?
It's actually.
What are you gonna do about my wet phone?
Now you can also like add a little bit extra food dye, cause
So now this one's sky blue. So this vlog is actually all about the slime and how we're making it.
okay. So this.
So I'm gonna move this because that's in her camera. So this one's very squishy and slimy.
It's actually gonna, because when you add more extra thing, we're actually gonna make like a darker blue. So of course you have. All right. So thank you very much
For watching
Great.
and bye.
Bye.
Go follow us